In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build websites and landing pages with Notion, turning your ideas into a polished online presence using a tool you might already know and love. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Notion's website, and if you haven't done so already, click on Log In. This will take you to the Sign In page. For simplicity, let's use Google to sign in, which makes it super easy if you're already a Google user. Once you've clicked on Google, you'll see an option to choose your account. Select your account, and this will bring you to your Notion dashboard. From here, you'll want to find the Marketplace. In the Marketplace, you'll discover a plethora of templates to choose from, specifically designed for creating landing pages. Take a moment to browse and find a template that resonates with the look and feel you're going for. Once you've picked the template you want, click Add, and this will add the template to your workspace. Now navigate to the newly created page within your Notion workspace. This is where the fun begins. You have the flexibility to edit the elements of the template according to your specific needs or branding desires. From colors to fonts, make these elements serve your vision. Editing photos is also crucial, so make sure any images within the template align with your brand or message. Once you've tailored the template to your liking, it's time to share your creation. Click the Share button. This part is key. When you're ready to share your masterpiece with the world, you'll want to make it public. Click on Publish, and just like that, your landing page is ready to be shared. To ensure that your landing page is easily accessible, let's go ahead and copy the site link. You can do this by clicking the chain icon, which will help you grab the URL of your freshly minted page. Next, we'll make this link even more useful by heading over to Simple Ink. If you haven't used Simple.ink before, log in or create an account to start. Once you're in, add a new website and paste the Notion link we just copied. This tool will simplify sharing your page as a full-fledged website. As part of the setup, you'll need to pick a name for your domain, giving your page a custom address. Go ahead and type in your desired domain name. Once you're satisfied with your choice, click on Let's Launch It. This action will trigger the creation of your website, showcasing your page to the World Wide Web. Finally, to revel in the fruits of your labor, click on See Your Live Website. Your landing page should now load and be live, ready for visitors from all corners of the globe. You've successfully transformed a Notion page into a fully functional website or landing page. Congratulations.